Hey everybody, Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is focused on these bad boys. These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks. I'm going to be doing a little swatcheroo on my lips and on my hand for you guys because these have been all over Marshalls and TJ Maxx, and I just wanted to show you guys just in case you wanted to pick them up. So that is the video for today, but hey, if you're not subscribed, hit that button below. And yeah, I create mostly beauty videos and I'm getting more into the fashion and lifestyle. I want my channel to be more than just beauty because I love fashion and all that. I'm not just a makeup artist, I love fashion too. And I'm going to put my social media links down below. And before I forget, hit that thumbs up or the like button for this video. Enough with this long ass intro. Let's get into the lip swatches. What am I doing? Oh hey, we're zoomed in more. We're getting a little bit personal. Did my eyes just cross? I think so. Like I said in the intro, I'm going to be doing a little lipstick review on these. I'm going to be swatching them on my lips and I'm going to be putting them on my hand. Just because Marshalls has been putting out so many Anastasia things, and if you're not sure if you like the products or not, I'm just going to show you one of the single colors and the 3 kit and just tell you what my thoughts are and all that, because I never really got into Anastasia stuff until it came into Marshalls, because I'm mostly like a Too Faced and Marc Jacobs type of girl, but Anastasia, getting to like these, we'll see. So this 3-fer came as a little pack and I believe it was $14.99. I have a haul, I'll link it down below or in the cards. And this came as a single. This will be coming in a haul very soon, but I wanted to show you before because I just couldn't wait. And I believe this was $6.99, which is not bad whatsoever. So the single shade is called CATNIP, and it's just like this, it looks like a magenta color. Yeah, I was like, this is a pretty pink, and I was like, you know what, just go for it. And it said CATNIP, and I was like, I have a cat, might as well. I go for the names, as you can probably tell. And then for the 3 set, these were $14.99. The first one that I have in my hand is called Hudson. I was really excited for this color. And then Bittersweet, which is like this brown color. And then Dazed, which is like this, it looks very red on camera, but it looks like a pink, but we'll see. I think I'm going to start with the 3-fer. So I think I'm going to start off with Dazed, and then I'm going to go on to Bittersweet, and then Hudson, and then obviously the big one, CATNIP. The first color that I'm trying is Dazed, and it, cat hair on me. With one swipe it looks like this. It is like this reddish color, and in person it does look red. It doesn't really matte. It's sort of like on camera it matches it, but this looks like it would be more of a pinky red, not like a dark red, so put it on and see. Getting a little close and personal. It's a very red color. I feel like this would be really good around the holiday time. I feel like if you're doing maybe like just like a simple look, like a winged liner and really bold lashes, this would look awesome. Did you see that when I put my lips together? It was kind of hard to undo them, if I can talk. First thoughts of it, I like it. I just wouldn't wear it out every day, probably just for a special occasion. On to the next one. Alright, and taking off that lipstick was a pain in my I probably should do a test. Maybe like I'll do like a thing on Instagram about like see how it lasts for the whole day. Anyways, the second color I'm going to be trying is Bittersweet. One swipe, that was a very large one. It's a very, very dark brown. Time to swatch a room. One swipe, look how dark that is. This looks really awkward, but still. So that was all just one little dip. It went on, I feel like, more buttery. I'll do that again. Buttery than Days. I'll do a little test. Absolutely nothing, even though it's still a little sticky. Nothing. That's awesome. I really do like this color now that I'm looking at it. I wouldn't be able to wear it to like my local Target because I live in a small town and like people would be like, what is she wearing on her lips? But like in Boston, I feel like this would be very acceptable for every day. So, but I love that it doesn't do that. I love that. On to the next one. So the next one is called Hudson. I'm very excited for this. This is like the reason why I wanted the whole threefer. It looks like a, from far, see, it looks like a nice nude, like a dark nude color. That's a very pretty, almost like pinky nude. Oh yeah, it's not as buttery as the Bittersweet one, but I do like this color. I feel like I could wear this every day. Absolutely nothing. That's awesome. I love that. Look at it. Still feels like it'd be wet, but absolutely nothing. On to the last one. And kind of like my favorite one because just look at this pink. And now we are on to the final one, which is CATNIP. Like I said, I wanted it just because of the name. That is one swipe. Just look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. So let's put it on. It does look like what it's in that. It's a little bit darker. I feel like if you put concealer underneath, you'll actually get the actual real color payoff. Again, I feel like I could wear this color out, this more. Actually, I feel like Hudson and CATNIP are like the ones that I could actually wear out. Let's see if it goes with the test. I really hope it does. Alright, here we go. Absolutely nothing. That like, see, the color payoff is just a little, it's a little off. It's not like the bottom lip that's like full color. It's kind of like not, it's kind of like opaque. Is that the word? Opacity? I don't know what the word I'm looking for. But one side is darker than the other, like right here. It's really, really light. But nothing's on my fingers, nothing's on my fingers. I'm gonna wear this out. So overall, I really, really do like the consistency of these, but while they are still drying, they are a little bit sticky. I absolutely love these. Out of the four, I feel like CATNIP and like what I said, Hudson are gonna be the most wearable for me. You guys, come on. These are Caitlyn Shea MUA colors. I love the consistency. I might be going back for more, maybe. I thought I wasn't gonna like the actual lip, like the actual consistency and everything, but just wet my lips because maybe if you're drinking, still nothing comes off. I will do like a test throughout the day. I'll put it on Instagram. Everything will be linked down below. So are these worth it? I think so. I think these are totally worth it. Liquid lipsticks. They are originally $20. That's crazy. So this was $20. Is $20 at Sephora. CATNIP. It's a soft plum. It does not look like that. That is one bright ass color. See if the kit is on here. $25 for these, and it says a $42 value. So yeah, are these worth it? Totally. Full price? Maybe not. If you really like them, like if there's a color that I can't find in TJ Maxx or Marshalls, maybe I'll go to Sephora and get it, but probably not. But I think these are totally worth it. I would love to try the other Anastasia stuff there, but we'll see what happens. So I hope you liked this little lip swatch video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Comment down below which one was your favorite, and hit that like button. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.